Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kidab, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Beanie Stacy Core moment. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Voice at the back. Go back to your room, ano? Okay, girly. Ito girly siya.
Nakita si Stacy doon. Doon ko nakita si Stacy na pink lahat.
Yeah.
Na pink, damit na pink, nakatakong na pink, sasayaw kami ha.
Napansin ko siya nga na bakit nga siya naka-heels sa audition. Medyo weird talaga.
Medyo weird. Ay, oh, yan. Ayan pala yung audition niya. Literally, naka-pink pala talaga siya.
Ang may pinakamaraming gamit at damit na color, pink.
Stacy. Oh, she loves pink talaga.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Girly pala talaga ni Stacy.
Stacy ko ba yan? Oh my God, di ka...
I'm not wearing pink, but my allergies are pink. Patingin. Ayun may pink. Ayun may pink. Yung bag niya pink. Siya yun.
Can't guess who's who except Stacy with her pink bag.
Si Stacy yun.
Stacy's airport drip, and she's still all pink with her bag yellow. I'll love you, princess.
Ayan. Very Stacy talaga siya. May parehas din pala sila ng bag. Ano, ng...
I'm married pink and pink nails. Wait, bakit ako? And then I saw myself in the mirror. Oh, why am I looking like this? I'm so pretty now. Pretty now. Oh my sayo, babe.
Baklang bakla pala talaga siya.
Pia! Uminom, mag-make.
Hindi may makeup.
No makeup for full on glam. This or that. 3, 2, 1, go!
All the Pinimember choose no makeup.
Chance pa. 3, 2, 1. Ayaw lumipat.
Ayaw niya talaga lumipat. Siya lang mag-isa.
So, ikaw lang ang bukod tanging na nag-full on makeup. Bakit?
Wala. Ang ganda niya sa stage po kasi yung mga glitters sa mata, yung smoke,
Mm-mm.
shadow. I love that. I love fashion and arts and makeup.
May mga... Yung characteristic niya parang si ano din. Parang si Sheena. Bakla din siya. Pero pag mag-perform, si Maloy bakla din eh. Look at me now. Slay. Slay ka dun.
Huwag kayong matakot maging kikay. Huwag kayong matakot mahalin ng color pink. Huwag kayong matakot maging katulad ko na very girly, di ba?
Kasi ano pala siya.
Kaya kayo maging girly. Super.
Super. Oh my God, I love this. Bini-afford din na microphone. Ito gusto ko to eh. Gusto ko talaga sila. As in, halatang nag-ano talaga sila ng microphone. Nag-iiwasan. This is using every chance to yap when she has the mic. Ah, siya pala talaga.
Always believe in what you're doing.
Kung may mic pala talaga, gusto niya pala talaga na siya.
This is from SB19.
Eh, kasama nila yung SB. Gwen Apulio, PNPA. Let us all follow me. Thank you so much. You animal.
But of course, how is it guys? 29 years of ASAP, part na kayo ng legacy ng ASAP.
Mega girl. No.
You are
Siya talaga. Siya talaga gusto niya talaga. Wait. Siya talaga. Yun talaga siya. Tumayo pala talaga siya. Gusto. Hindi ko lang medyo nun eh. Just kidding.
First question is, bakit hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi? Hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi sa bansang ito kasi dito tayo tumayo, dito tayo nanggaling, dito tayo magsisimula, at dito pa rin tayo, oh, Pilipinas!
Philippines. Kasi hook with that mic. Gusto niya talaga yung shaking sa mic. Girly siya pero bida-bida. Competitive sa ako. Girly siya pero bida-bida pala siya. I love that. Gusto ko yun. Yung girly ka pero bida-bida ka. I love that. Okay. Continues the game. Why does it look like you won 1,000,000 or something? Don't worry. Very Very competitive pala talaga siya. Oh my God, may ads. Wait. Very competitive pala talaga siya. And at the same time, bida-bida. I love that. I love being bida-bida.
My favorite dito ng sabaw ng balot. Ay, ako, not really. Pero
of balot is Dr. Quack Quack. But it's so yummy. It has a soup. When you crack the
When you crack the When you crack the
and then when you open the shell and then you drink, it's so yummy. You kept saying
It's so
that
yummy.
the duck's urine, but it's not.
What?
Colette, the other it was ruined.
I'm out, man.
If you come here in the Philippines, you should ask the people, where can I buy Dr. Quack Quack?
Dr. Quack-Quack? Bakit ang Dr. Quack-Quack yung balot? Yun totoo. The Dr. Quack-Quack ambassador. Chaotic Live. Gusto ko to. Ito, ano to eh, unfiltered.
Aminin mo! Aminin mo! Stop the car, kuya! I said stop the car!
Ah?
Stop the car! Mare, mag-shoot kami ng cycle sa asap. Mga dadali. Ang daming nangyayari, ha? May nagpaano. Oh my God! What is that? A Philippine Eagle. Oh my God! Come to Philippines. I will tour you. I will be your tour guide.
I will be doing it.
You know what? Here in the Philippines, we believe that if it's raining and if it's sunny day,
Mhm.
there's an encanto na nagpapakasal, getting married.
Encanto.
Encanto. Human tree. They are getting
Encanto na nagpapakasal. Oh my God, that's so very probinsya.
Send kayo ng diamond, sisigaw si ano.
That's very probinsya. Naalala ko yan eh, ganyan kami sa probinsya.
Oh my God, okay, thank you. Eto na.
Are you serious?
Para sa inyo to. Okay, para sa inyo to, Pini. Go, go, go. Okay.
Go. Hindi talaga siya pala siya nahihiya. It's compressed. Abs yan.
an animal, I would like to be a quokka. Kasi they're
Quokka?
the best animal on earth. Quokka. Search it now, so you know.
Wala. Okay.
What is happening in this world?
It's like I'm video calling my special. Oh my God, ang funny niya pala talaga. Funny pala si Stacey, no? Also able to... Ay! Ay, bongga! Bongga naman pala. Supernatural occurrence.
Totoo ba yung multo sa PBB o sa camp o totoo yun, guys?
The video Stacey was talking about. Totoo ba yan? Wala.
Kasi, ito, wait lang.
Totoo ba talaga yan?
Kasi ganito yung nangyari. Isang babae na nakatira sa Camp Starhan nag-video nang biglang may sumingit na kamukha di umano. Ayoko magkwento ng ganun.
Kaninong kamukha?
So, ganito na nga yung nangyari, please. Kilala niyo ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga video-video.
Totoo ba talaga nangyari yun?
Sa takot ako sa skip. Ayoko na. Natakot ako sa music.
Yes, speaking of photobombing, we experienced that, like a shadow.
When I was taking a video, I was just feeling myself. I was taking a selfie video, and then suddenly,
Meron na talaga.
banger of Joanna. Yeah, like I caught it
There's
on
a video.
Yeah, but I was just alone in the room. I turned around, no one's there.
Oh, kasi umikot siya eh.
History. There's really something inside that house.
Talaga?
Sinasabi nila, ako daw yung nakita nila. And ako, hindi ako naniniwala. Nasa baba kasi kami nila Ate Colette, nagkukwentuhan kami sa baba. Tumakbo sila sa baba, tumakbo sila sa amin. Kita nga nila yung video, tapos sabi nila, Coach Reden, pinaprank nyo lang kami, hindi kami naniniwala. Ako daw kasi yung nasa video.
Wala bang CCTV?
Kasama ko nga si
Ano
Ate
ba ibo
Colette.
ko?
Ayaw nilang maniwala talaga. So, chinek nila yung CCTV. Kala ko yung Islamic Coach Reden if lang paprank ba. Sista ako lang po yung tao sa closet namin.
Oh my God.
Nasa baba ako.
Oh my God.
Nakita nila sa CCTV yun.
Pero ang multo hindi nakita sa CCTV. Oh my God, ano na yung balahibo ko?
Grabe yung tayo na balahibo.
Toots. Same.
Bakit ganon? Bakit tsaka sila umalis nung mag-isa na ako dito magla-live?
Same. Nakatakot nga. I guess tapos na to. Question Stacy's supernatural occurrence remain unanswered. Tapos na nga. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The Beanie Stacy core moments. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!